Vaishali, print out. This one? Print out. Print out. Okay. Sir, 1 more minute, sir.
Yeah.
Can
Yes.
I start at 5 o'clock? Okay.
Hi.
Okay. Sir, can I start, sir?
Yes, yes.
So, good evening to all, and welcome to this demo on eSCR. I have with me the Senior Technical Director from NIC Pune, Mr. Amol, who was also part of the team which created this eSCR. So today we'll be taking you all through a quick demo how to use this eSCR. So we have participants from law schools, law colleges throughout the country, judicial officers, advocates, and various variety of stakeholders. Since the law students have also joined, we'll be just going from a very basic level to know what eSCR is. And actually, eSCR is only official law report in India under the Indian Law Reports Act 1875. For the law students, this small catch up about this SCR, the Supreme Court reports. And the speciality of eSCR is the only law journal where the head notes of the judgments are approved by the honorable judges themselves who delivered the judgments. So, and it was available on cost for physical copies were made available by the Supreme Court. Now it is made free of cost and digitized eSCR is made available, and all the Supreme Court judgments which were available in a print mode has been now digitized and made as a eSCR, and we'll be taking you all through the features. So first, sir will be joining with me in showing you all the demo to put it very easily from where we can get this eSCR. So let us start from that point. So sir, I'll request you to show the main Supreme Court website from where the stakeholders can access eSCR. It is made available in multiple places. One is from main Supreme Court website, which sir will be now showing you. And also, it is also made available in the judgment search portal, which has nearly 1 crore judgments of all the high courts also. There also, eSCR link is provided. Sir, I'll now request you to show the eSCR from main Supreme Court website, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I'll share my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's visible.
So,
sir has now
good evening.
This,
Yeah.
Good evening. Yes, sir. You can.
Good evening, everybody. As just now, madam has told that the Supreme Court reports, which are in the physical format and in different volumes, are published every year. And now these reports are digitized, and we have made it available on the eSCR portal. That too, with you can search judgment on various search criteria. So I'll just go through all those search criteria. I'll just, so from where you can access from the main Supreme Court website. We have provided a link, eSCR. So by clicking on the eSCR, you can go to the eSCR portal. So here we have provided a simple user interface. You can enter keywords and you can search the judgment. So even if you don't enter any keywords, suppose I am entering just a CAPTCHA. So what I am getting is about 34,055 judgments. So as of now, we have 34,055 judgments available on the eSCR Supreme Court, all Supreme Court judgments. So these are see here. I'll show you first the right hand side menu. Here we have I mean quorum wise count of cases. Like,
sir, I will intervene in
Yeah.
this because as a law student also, I was also excited to know the 13 judge bench which has delivered the judgment. See, now sir has shown us 34 among these judgment, how many judgments have been delivered by a 13 judge bench. So in the right hand side, you can see there is 13 judge, one judgment. Sir, can we see that?
if you click on that, you'll get that judgment.
Yeah. The Keshwan Bharti case.
Keshwananda Bharti versus State of Kerala. So you'll get that judgment. So whatever criteria you have selected, accordingly the judgment will be displayed. Now there is only one judgment of a bench of comprising of 13 judges. So you can reset it.
So this point you can catch up with,
Yeah.
sir. Whenever you make any searches, to go back to the search, we need to use the reset button there.
Reset is to reset all the filters which you have applied. See here you can see 13 judges bench, 11 judges bench 5, 9 judges bench 14. So all counts are given. If you click on that, suppose 7 judges bench judgment, you know that you want to find a judgment where there is a 7 judge bench. So if you click on it, you'll get 80 judgments, and further you can narrow your search. So first is I mean quorum by 13 judges or 11 judges bench, you can search the judgment. Secondly,
Sir, can you show the more button, sir, in under
yes. Sir.
Okay. See, this is the quorum wise list.
Even one judge's judgment is also available here. Okay. 2 judges, 3 judges, 4 judges.
Yes, sir.
So if you click on 7 judges now, if you click on this, you'll get that PDF. So PDF will be opened for that judgment.
This is the most interesting feature of this eSCR. You get the free download of these judgments from an authenticated Supreme Court portal. Anybody can now download these judgments. See, sir has downloaded the PDF of the 7 judge bench. Yes, sir. Over to you, sir.
Okay. So next search is you can search judge wise also. So now out of these 34,000 judgments, you can search judge wise. So if you click on judge wise, you can get a list of all Supreme Court judges, and based on that, by clicking particular judge, you can get the judgment of that particular judge, whether he is part, I mean, he is part of that bench. So if I want to see judgment of Honorable Justice Jaswant Singh, so I'll get 261 judgments, where Honorable Justice Jaswant Singh is a part of that bench. So by judge wise also, you can search if you know the judge name that it is given by particular judge. Then
sir, sorry to intervene. Can we go to the judges thing? Show that how to search with a particular name of a judge in the search box which you have given, sir.
No, this is, see, now whatever you have searched here, suppose now here I have not searched with any keywords, so I got the 34,055 judges, which 55 judgments which are available in our repository. So out of that, you can get that Justice A.C. Gupta is in 252 judgments. A.K. Ganguly has given 475 judgments. A.K. Mathur. So list of all Supreme Court judges are available, and you can, if you want, if you know that you want to search particular honorable judge's judgment, you can click on that name, and you'll narrow down the search.
There is a search box so in the upper.
Yeah, that is if you know, then you can get see here whatever search you have given. So accordingly, suppose there are 100 judgments. If you give any search, so what are the names of the judges given by who has given those 100 judgments? That will come here. So based on that, you can see now here out of for all the 34,000 judgments, this all judges list will be shown.
Okay. Okay.
So first I'll discuss about this right side filter. Then I'll come with this.
Okay.
Then you can have a citation hereby. Suppose if you know the citation, then you can click on citations also. So here also, if you see from 1950, the judgments are available till 2023. So 2023, 5 judgments are available. 2022, 37 judgments are available, and our team is also in a mode to add recent judgments also. So continuously work is going on. So right now you'll see for 22 only volume 1 is digitized. So accordingly, the volume 2, 3 all are being digitized, and that will be pushed on the eSCR web portal. So here see for 2021, 9 volumes are available, and you can click if you want to search any particular volume. If you know that my judgment is in say year 78 or year 2004 in volume number 1. So if I click on this, so I'll get only 69 judgments which are in the volume 1 of year 2004. It is shown here. Here is 2004. First SCR 1185 is a page number. So you can search the judgment on citation year. I mean the volume year and volume number also. Similarly, if you search here, suppose I want to see the judgments delivered by Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Then I can search here, select this. So I got 575 results. So we have a here what you'll see is if you know the judge name, then you can select here. You can enter the judge name here, and you'll get the results of that particular judge. Next search criteria is act and section. So if you know that if you are searching for particular act or section, then if you enter like say I'm entering Factories Act, and then so I'll get 256 judgments which are where the Factories Act is referred, or you can give any whatever act you know and whatever section you want to search. Then accordingly the judgments where these acts are referred, that will be shown. Delhi Rent Act, I'm just so there are 31 judgments where Delhi Rent Act is referred in the case, or it is from the Delhi Rent Act. So if you know the act, you can also filter out the judgments. Next search is decision date. If you know the decision date, if you want to search a case from a say you know that it is between say 97 and 99, so you can give that date and year for particular Suppose I know that the case is between January 15 to say June 15. So accordingly, I can to 9 January to 2015 to 9 June 2015. And if I search, I'll get the judgments which are delivered between these two dates. So next is next search is eSCR, where if you know the volume number or year or page number, if you know the supplementary volume and all, then you can get the
Sir,
judgment.
can you show for 1978 to SCR 621? I have a citation. 1978
volume
volume 2 SCR page number is 621, sir. Page is 621.
621.
Okay.
So this is Maneka Gandhi versus Union of India.
Yes, sir.
In the case, if you click on, then you will get the PDF file.
Okay.
So I think it's a big PDF.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But in the search result, it shows, sir, one result within 0 seconds, sir.
Yeah, yes.
Since it's a bigger file, no, it's taking time. Yes, sir.
It's
Yes, sir.
January 25th, 1978.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So these are the search criteria where I mean the concerned stakeholder, if he knows the judge name, or he knows the act and section, or a decision date, or he knows volume, or say 7 judge bench or 9 judge bench, or citation year, if you know, then you can search all. Next is the USPs. Here you can give free text search. So here in the free text search, we have 3 options. You can enter phrase, you can enter any word, or you can search for all words which you have entered. So I'll show you one by one. So I'll search right to live. So it's a phrase. So it will search for the full phrase right to live. So I got 427 judgments where the word right to life is there in the judgment.
Sir, can you search for constitutional rights, sir?
Now it is search within search now, because now first I have searched for right to life. Inside that I want to search constitutional right. Then also, so now there are 66 results where right to life is also there and constitutional right phrase is also there. So you can go search within search and you can filter your criteria. You can narrow down to whatever the judgment you want. So again, so aggravating circumstances.
Its spelling should be yes, sir.
So there are 119 judgments where the phrase aggravating circumstances are. Constitutional right. Then I can search for any word. So any word is available in the judgment, then that is available. Any of the 2 words or 3 words, whatever you have entered. So constitutional rights for any word, I am getting 12,785 judgments where either both words may be there in the judgment, or a single word may be there, constitutional word may be there, or rights word may be there, or both the words are there. So
sir, in this regard, just for the audience sake, so when sir has searched 12,785 judgments, in that if you see on the right hand side, all related topics are also showing. So how many judgments are 13 judge bench or 11 judge bench in this constitutional right also, you can simultaneously is displayed.
Yes. That is what I showed in the
yes,
in the start.
Just for reminding them.
I have not given any search criteria, so I got 34,000 judgments. So out of these 34,000 judgments, then I can get 13 judges benches, 11 judges benches. Here for this constitutional rights, I got 12,785 results. So for these 12,785 results, so this is the combination of I mean benches, 13 judge bench or 11 judge bench, 9 judge bench. So same here for judge wise. Now here out of these 12,000 judgments, which judge has given the judgment? So names of that judge will appear. So these are the judges who has given the judgments where constitutional right word is there in the judgment. So you can select any judge and your search will be narrowed to that particular count. So if I select AK Mathur, then I'll get 68 judgments. Similarly, you can search for all words. So I want to search capital punishment with fine, where these all words should be there in the judgment, and then we have a proximity there. So you can select 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. So this is basically, if I select 20 means the distance between two words, like if there is a word capital and punishment also, so it is more or less 20 words difference. So if you select 100, then the distance between two words which you have entered is more or less 100. So if I select 20,
so it will give the proximity nearer, which judgments is nearer to this.
So this I am not getting.
Yeah.
So now here see I get I got 1,178 judgments, and proximity is now 20. If I increase the proximity to 100, I may get more judgments. So now if proximity is 100, I am getting 206 judgment. So the difference between word is more or less 100 between the two words which 2 or 3 words which the user has entered. So you can select between the 5 proximity we have given: 20, 40, 60, 80. And one more option here is the judgments in the vernacular languages are also available here. So if you select any without giving any criteria, I got 34,000 judgments. So if judgment is available in multiple languages, then you can see select box or select box here for judgment. Now English and Hindi. So this judgment is available in both the languages, English and Hindi. If I select Hindi, I can get Hindi judgment. So work on this is also going on. So sooner you'll get judgments in all the languages. So accordingly, here also if you select say Tamil, So all the judgments, so say 52 judgments are available in Tamil language. So if you click on this, you'll get that judgment in Tamil. In addition to English, English is available, but some judgments are translated to the state languages, and that is also available. So Kannada, 17 judgments are available, and work is going on for this translation. So you will get more judgments in the local language. So this is all about the eSCR, where you can search, you can enter free text and search the judgment based on phrase. You can use the any word option. You can use all words option. You can search judge wise. If you know act and section, accordingly you can search. Then based on decision date, if you know, then from between decision date, then if you know the volume number of Supreme Court reports, or particular case number, also if you know the exact case number, that also you can enter here. If you know the party name, then you can enter the party name here. So as madam has given that 1978 judgment, so if you enter party name like Maneka Gandhi, so you will get judgments where Maneka Gandhi is a party. So here you can use Maneka Gandhi, you can enter party name, you can enter keywords, you can search on the specific case number also. If you know exact case number, then you can directly go to that particular judgment using the case type, the case number, and by entering case type, case number, and here you can
case type also we can search, sir. Writ petition civil.
Yes.
Writ petition civil. Yes. Case number is 906. I have a case number 906 of 2016, sir. 2016.
It's a writ petition civil or some other, madam?
Yeah, it is writ petition only, sir. Writ petition case number. I'll check, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. And in this eSCR also, sir, this general thing, using the CAPTCHA, the NIC team has made it as accessible captchas also. So whenever you enter into this first CAPTCHA point, there is a visual CAPTCHA also, and also an audio CAPTCHA is also provided, so that the person with the visual disability can use the audio CAPTCHA also. So sir is now showing that. So this is the visual CAPTCHA. And for person with the visual disability, an audio CAPTCHA is enabled, so that the person with the visual disability can also use this. And one more security feature is added in eSCR, because after 20 minutes time slot, no sir, you will again have to enter the CAPTCHA. So this security feature has been added to this eSCR. I hope, sir, every law student will be, even as a law student, I was thrilled to know a particular, my favorite judge, how many judgments. Now I can proudly say that I have read all the judgments of my favorite judge. Everything is in a click of a button. Sir, this eSCR is also made available by the Supreme Court of India through its mobile app also. So if you have their mobile app also, it is made available. And there is one more place, because many of the audience have been raising this question, whether we can get the High Court judgments also. So there is a portal of a judgment search portal of e-committee. There also eSCR is made available. I think sir will show that website also, which has both the Supreme Court judgments and also the High Court judgments. Right now, High Court judgments, nearly 1 crore High Court judgments are also made available. So sir will be showing now how to access eSCR from the judgment search portal also.
So here on the Supreme Court website, we have given a link. By clicking on the link, you will go to the judgments, this eSCR portal, where you can search judgments from the Supreme Court report. If you go to judgements.ecourts.gov.in, so here both the options are available. You can search eSCR judgments and you can search High Court judgments also. If I select on High Court again, so you can see 1,05,58,233 orders, final orders and judgments are available on the judgments portal of various high courts. So out of this, if you see the count, now here in the eSCR, you'll get a bench wise count like 13 judges bench or 11 judges bench, 9 judges bench. Here you'll get a count of judgments High Court wise. So here Bombay High Court, High Court of Punjab and Haryana, Patna High Court. So these are all the counts of judgment available of each High Court. High Court of Sikkim, 1365 judgments are available. So same here, you can have the judges name wise. Here in eSCR, you have option of citation year. Here it is disposal year wise. You can enter the disposal year and of particular High Court or whole all 25 High Courts. You can enter disposal year and judgments of the that disposal year will be shown here. Also, pre-text search is also available for High Court judgments. Same, the UI is same for both eSCR and High Court judgments, and you can get now here. If I want to see only judgments of particular High Court, say I want to see High Court of Gujarat. So now 2,70,826 judgments are available for Gujarat. So I am searching for capital punishment. So out of so there are 137 judgments of High Court of Gujarat where the word capital punishment is there. And you will get the PDF as shown earlier in the eSCR website. You can get the. So this is in the High Court of Gujarat, civil application 6749 and judgment is available. Same, you can enter judge name also here also. By entering any judge name, you will get the so I get 37 judgments of Honorable Justice D.Y. Chandrachud.
Yeah.
This is the first appeal in the Bombay High Court at Goa. So same like eSCR, High Court judgments are also available. And
Sir,
you can
one more thing
yes,
I want to show here, because your team has worked. See, in this judgments, in the notes is capturing, you can see the CNR number, what is the date of registration, what is the date of decision, what is the disposal nature, what is so they have captured that data also, and that is also useful in some cases which is overruled. That is also displayed, see, allowed. So this data is also captured.
Yeah, that is added value to this. CNR number is also there, date of registration. So from which court the judgment is. Now this is for all High Courts, one court. So we have given from which High Court the judgment is and all. So same judge wise, act section wise, then decision date wise. Or here you can select, I mean here if I select Bombay High Court, so there are say benches also. So benches at Nagpur, if I select Nagpur, so now judgments of Nagpur bench is available. So 2,33,000 1,338 judgments of Nagpur bench of Bombay High Court. So if you search free text in this 22 lakh 33, you will get the narrower result, whatever you are searching.
Sir, while being in this High Court page, if I wanted to suddenly search Supreme Court judgments, then
Yeah.
I can choose the eSCR.
Yeah. Here you can choose eSCR or High Court. So
Yeah.
if I now I'll search eSCR. If you want to search any High Court judgment, you will have to select High Court. The
Sir,
link.
in that eSCR also, sir, that case number which we tried, no, it is coming in my computer. We can show the audience that case number. Writ petition civil. Writ petition civil, sir.
Civil.
906 number. And 2016, sir. Should we directly type in that eSCR also, sir?
Let me check, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Nine not six, sir.
2016, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice.
Yes, sir. This one, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. So we are getting that, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, here you can see writ petition civil number 906 of 2006. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So if you know the year, I mean case number,
yeah,
if you know the act, if you know the section, or if you know the judge name, then you can narrow down your search.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
So I request all the stakeholders to please search this, use this portal, search the judgments, and they can provide suggestions to the committee. Madam, you can talk about that.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So thank you so much, sir. It is
Thank
really we have saved the stakeholders the payment for eSCR, and now all these digital judgments are available at the click of a button, free of cost, and 24/7. I think it is a path breaking for us, sir. And all these database is now being started in a vernacular language also. Hats off to your NIC team who has gifted us with this digitized court records and has become a one-click solution for all of us. And all these suggestions, actually this eSCR is still a work in progress. All your suggestions and comments can be written to Supreme Court. So we'll take into consideration, and everybody can start using this. And I'm very proud to say this Judgements search portal has bagged this year's national award, and twice an award has been, and we also received an award from President of India. The breaking point of this is it has been catering to the needs of a litigant. If I am a litigant in a court of law, I just want to search a judgment on divorce or maintenance. So, it's just a simple Google search. The homepage which sir showed is a simple homepage where you can type the text and get all the judgments. And the added facility is that you can download it free of cost. Even if you are from a law department or any citation you wanted to refer it officially, now it is made available 24/7. And I hope all the stakeholders will start using this eSCR and be benefited with this digital portal. And special thanks, sir, for the NIC team Pune, and special thanks to Amul sir who has joined with us in spite of this hectic schedule, sir. Hope to see much more products from this, sir. Thank you so much. And thank you for all the stakeholders who have joined with us across the country. And thank you so much.
Thank you.
Sir, thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.